Hi everyone, my name is Abhinav Raparia. I'm a qualified CA, CPA, and MBA. I hold all more than a decade experience of on the academic side, on the consulting side of it. Today we are here to discuss about the course enrolled agent itself. Okay, enrolled agent, right? What is enrolled agent? It is basically this entitles you to practice in front of IRS. It gives you a federal license in that case. What is IRS? IRS is basically the central authority in US, the way we have CBDT in India. Similarly, in US we have IRS that allows you to practice in front of in front of before IRS. In this case, you can represent your client, you can represent any company, you can represent firm in that case. So you can deal with the IRS directly in this case. Okay, what is the eligibility for you to start this course? Honestly speaking, you do not need any eligibility. You just need 18 years of age and you need a good willpower to do this course, right? So once you clear all the three parts of the EA, you are good to go to become the EA. You need to apply for the license after that. Or in case you are working with the IRS for continuous 5 years, in that also entitle you for becoming the enrolled agent. What is the scope as a EA professional? It gives you a lot of scope. In that case, you are entitled to work even in US. If you meet the visa requirement, in that case you can work in US also. If you're planning to work in India also, you have a lot of opportunities in that case, because a lot of US companies have outsourced their work in US in India. So you can work in any of the global division of those companies. So all the big fours have their work in US. So all the big fours have the global division there. All the American Express, Genpact, WNS, so many organizations, you just name it, they have the division in that case. Or in case you can practice in India also. If you're a chartered accountant, you can practice with this also. So you can bring your work from US, you can do here also. So you can start your practice also. Full-time, part-time practice is something you can also start in this case. So that's scope. What are the steps involved in that case? First of all, you for doing this, you need to apply for the PTIN. Our team will help you out in obtaining the PTIN. PTIN is nothing but the prepared tax identification, and you need to get that. Second, you need to create your Prometric account so that you can write your exams online. And third, you need to prepare, obviously, which is the most crucial effect. You have to prepare for it, and after you're done with it, you need to apply for the license of the EA. Let's understand this course. It has the three parts. What are the three parts? First is the individual, second is the business, and third is the representation and the practice and the procedures. Let's deep dive into these courses in details. Okay, let's see this. First, individual. When I talk about the individuals, I'm talking about the taxation of the individuals in that case. So what is the basic work you need to do what are the taxpayer data you need to prepare for it? Income, what are the income sources? What are the assets in that case? What kind of the deduction individual will get? What are the credits available for the individuals in that case? In case you are advising the individual taxpayers, what are the things you will consider in that case? And lastly, the specialized tax return, which is gift tax, state tax, all of it will be the part of it. What is this percentage? This is a percentage in the exams. What kind of the weightage is there in the exams? Okay. Second is the business. Business has three aspects to it. One is the business entities. What type of the entities? C corporation, S corporation, partnership, various multiple kind of the entities. Business tax preparation. How would you prepare for it? Lastly, the specialized return. Again, the state tax, any kind of the retirement account we are talking about here. This is the weightage for the part 2. Lastly is the representation, practice, and the procedure. So in case you're representing your client in front of the IRS, what are the things you should consider, whether you are eligible or not, in case you are doing something which disbar you from practicing from the IRS. All of it is something we are going to cover in that case. That is something which is more procedural in that nature. Okay. Now, what is the exam pattern? It's a 3.5 hour exam. In this case, you will get the couple of 15-20 minutes break also in between. So you have almost 100 questions which you need to write. Everything is a multiple choice question. So there is no essay writing. There's just no essay writing. There is no descriptive question. There is no simulation, anything. It's just the pure 100 MCQs in that case which you have to write. So it is split into 50 first part and 50 another part. In between, you'll get a scheduled break of 15 minutes in that case. So that's how it is. So you need to clear 100 for each part 1, part 2, part 3. So that means you have to becoming the EA, you will need to have clear the 300 MCQs in that case. Okay, there is no negative marking in that case, so you are free to choose any answer. Exam schedule. It is the schedule for the exam is from 1st May to 28th of February in that case. So that's the window for it. In that case, you can write the exam anytime. You need to schedule your exam by choosing any of the Prometric center. You can go and write the exam there. There are 2 months, which is the March and April, which is closed window, which is a blackout window, wherein you cannot write your exams anywhere in the world also. But this is the window in which they update, in which the IRS update the entire law in this case, so that your fresh new tax year will come from the 1st May itself. Okay, so no exam happens in the March and April. Exam schedule, how much is the fee? Fees is $182 per part in that case. So total is going to be 382. Total is going to be 182 into 3. So this is the fees, $180. $182 is for the each part in that case. Where can you write the exam? You can write to any of the metropolitan, be it Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, multiple places. You can go onto the Prometric website and you can find out where you can write the exams. You can locate the centers there and you can find out where you can write. Mostly it is there in most of the centers. Most of the metropolitan centers are there. Then we have what is the overall passing percentage. On an average, the passing percentage hovers around from 50 to 70%, which is huge, right? Business is considered to be relatively a bigger chunk. That's why the passing percentage is slightly lesser in that case. But on an average, the passing percentage hovers around from 50 to 70%, 75% in that case. So which is a very high passing percentage for any course itself. Okay, these are the content partners for us. Sargent is the academic partner. So Sargent is the material we use. We have the book for the Sargent. We have the software for the Sargent, which is roughly around 2000 MCQs for you to practice into it. Any kind of the academic support you need from the Sargent is already available, 24/7 available for you. Everything is prepared. Sargent is pretty very good name in the terms of the practice for the series for the EA examinations. 88 Tuitions is something our partner for providing you the videos. So we will have the live lectures which is going on. You can attend those live lectures. In case you miss any of the live lectures, you can see the recorded lectures available, which is available on the 88 Tuition platform. So this is our video partners, our recording partners itself. Our single point of contact is, this is the email address. You can, in case you have any query, you can put your queries onto here and be in touch with the team for the same also. That's pretty much it from my side, guys. And I'm looking forward to be in touch with you. I'm looking forward to meet you in the classes. In case you have any question, please be in touch with the team. They will definitely help you out on the same. All right. I'll see you on the same. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.